Few cars capture pure American muscle like the Corvette, but this 1980 Restomod takes it to another level. It's a full ground-up build where classic style meets modern performance in the best way possible. Underneath the sleek jet black fiberglass body, a Roadster Shop chassis transforms the ride with C6 Corvette spindles, a 4-link rear suspension, and Penske adjustable coilovers that make this classic handle like a modern sports car. Power comes from a stroke 7-liter LS3 V8 built for 600 horsepower. Inside, it's vintage meets modern, restored leather seats, Dakota Digital gauges, air conditioning, and an Alpine sound system with Bluetooth. Stopping power comes from C6 Z06 brakes, and forged Nutek wheels wrapped in Pirelli PZero tires keep it planted. This Corvette isn't just restored, it's completely redefined, blending old-school attitude with modern performance.